Hi everyone, welcome to this video of easy Caesar salad. So this is what we're going to be making today. Doesn't it look delicious? So some of you may be asking, how can we make Caesar salad easy to make? And the secret is pre-prepared Caesar salad from the grocery store. Here in California, the cost of a Caesar salad can go anywhere from $10 to $15 at a restaurant. However, if you buy it at the grocery store, the bags can go anywhere from $3 to $4, which I really love. What I think makes the Caesar salad really delicious is its dressing, which is traditionally made with emulsified egg and anchovies. But as a mom, I don't really have time to make that special dressing, so that's why I love store-bought Caesar salad. So here we have our Caesar salad kit, and it comes with the Caesar salad dressing, the croutons, the Parmesan cheese, and the cracked black pepper. We're going to add it into our salad bowl. And then we're going to top it off with the salad dressing. So now that we have the salad dressing, we're going to go ahead and mix it with our pair of tongs until all of the lettuce is coated with this delicious salad dressing. So we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese, and it looks super delicious, and I love how they are big pieces. Next are the croutons, yum. And lastly, we're going to add the cracked black pepper. So the kit provides plenty of cracked black pepper, but for me, I just add maybe just a dash of what they provide. If you want it a little bit more peppery, then you could add a lot more. So we're going to go ahead and continue mixing the salad, and it looks so good. All of the leaves are being coated with the delicious toppings. Next, we're going to plate it, and this kit can make one large salad if you want it as a meal, but for us, we're going to enjoy it as a side salad. And as you can see, it's plenty of salad to start our meal. So here are our two side salads. It looks really plentiful, and I'm so excited to try it. And we're going to take one last appreciation look at the Caesar salad before we dig in. So let's dig in. So we're going to go ahead and get a little bite here. As you can see, all the lettuce is coated with the delicious Caesar salad dressing, and it tastes really, really creamy with that Parmesan cheese. Got a little bit of the crunch from the crouton, and just a dash of that cracked pepper really makes it a well-rounded bite. And that's what I love about this Caesar salad kit from the grocery store. It tastes just like the restaurant. So good. And that concludes our video. Thanks so much for watching. If you thought this video was helpful or if you liked it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and follow me on YouTube and Instagram at Napa Valley Mommy. See you guys next time.